So to set up a screencast, you just connect your phone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and connect like so. Up on the top right hand side you can see your status bars there. You have your Wi-Fi, battery power and Bluetooth. So you will connect your device, you go in here, select next, and you'll go down here and click on this, and you should have your device pop up a message on your screen, screencast, cast to screen device, like so. If we head into the cast icon, will then come up on the top of your screen. If you can just see it there, it's very small, but it's in red, as you can see. So that means it's ready to cast. Okay, so when you got your phone connected, you'll have your screen up like so, as you can see there. And as you can see, you can scroll through your menu, press up like that, go through your apps, and then you can, whatever phone you're using, it's different, as we all know. So if we go down to YouTube, for example, from here, we just have to move that slightly over, and I'm just going to stand here to give you an example of just how big it is on the wall there. So you can scroll through your YouTube like so. Just come in to my channel there again and have a quick look at GVI again, just to keep it. Hello, this is Jim from BenQ. I'm going to give you a quick first look at unboxing of the BenQ GVI wireless projector. This will be our tour projector, and these seem to be pretty popular. And this is what the box looks like here, and they are really cool. And this one comes. So basically, that's what it's like there. You can scroll your Twitter feed, you can scroll your Instagram. You can basically do anything that's on your phone. So no matter what's on your phone, it will come through on the screen here. And the same will apply if you open, say, Google. So I'm going to put Google in there, and you can start scrolling from there. So we go to the home page like so. As you can see there, the full site. It's no problem at all, and it's very quick. There's no real lag there, so it's pretty cool in that respect. So you can also connect your laptop or any other peripherals you might have, like USB dongles and stuff like that. You can also use the BenQ itself as a hotspot and connect through the Wi-Fi, and it's quite versatile, and the same with Bluetooth. So overall, it's pretty good. You hear the speaker there, you can hear the speaker in the background. It's decent enough, but you can use it as a standalone speaker. You can also connect another speaker to it as well. So it's quite versatile, plenty of ways to connect to it. Very open in that direction, which I like about it, and it's one of the most good things about the device itself. So you can connect a multitude of devices to it. You're free to connect in more ways than one, and again you can connect with your Bluetooth speaker. If you're watching content on it, we'll have a couple of Netflix clips or something like that. The sound doesn't actually sound like it's coming behind you, it sounds like you're actually watching it from front. It's very well spaced out, the sound as well. Excellent product indeed, and for the price I can certainly recommend it compared to what some other on the BenQ GVI. And so again, with Android 10 you've got your auto rotating there and with all the apps and so on. And yeah, pretty cool. Any questions, hit me up at techbuzzerland.com and we'll talk to you next one. So that's just a quick look at the BenQ GVI, and people are asking about this fish, so while I have it up. It's called Betta Fish and you can set it as a wallpaper and you can move it around like so you can get this for your mobile phone. So just said I'll show you that one in here, so just give you an idea as well of how good the graphics are. That's it for now. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.